We are here for the ATV experience in Ubud, and I'll try to vlog everything. We'll see how it goes. I'm super excited. I am ready. Let's see. This is one of the main things I was looking forward to. So yeah, I'm so excited. That's me and my friend Pilar trying to fasten the GoPro on my bike and kind of failing, but we managed with a rubber band that we removed from my hair. So yes, that was a success. So before the ride starts, you are given all the gear like a helmet and then your boots, and you're briefed on how to use the bike, and they take their time to get you all warmed up. It was really nice how they welcome you and prep you for everything. And yeah, it was a little bit rainy on that day, but during the ride it was completely fine. And actually it was better because it was not too it wasn't so sunny, so this was good. It was perfect weather. And yep, here we go. So I'm somebody who doesn't really ride, a bike, and well, I can manage not to fall, but yeah, I'm not somebody who rides a bike all the time. And this was not very difficult to maneuver, to be honest. It was quite easy, but yeah, you do need to have some kind of motor skills, otherwise you might find it a little bit difficult. But that's not a problem at all, because you can choose to operate the bike on your own, and if you want, you can get somebody there who will help you. Like some people on our team, they actually had a rider with them, so you can do that as well. Or you can even ride in couples if you feel like one of you are better than the other, so that's also fine. Whatever works for you. I wasn't really very confident when I started, but then yeah, it was really good. I did want to try it out all on my own. So yeah, it turned out fine, but there was a small issue which you will see later. Keep watching. So once you leave, like the main town kind of place that they take you through in the starting, you come into this place, and it's like the first difficult part of the ride. And it was really interesting because you just go in circles, but at the same time it's not really smooth. So it was very nice and kind of easy, but at the same time it did challenge you, because it's completely like full of water, as you can see, and you do need to put in more strength to maneuver. But it was really fun, and some people were having extra fun just splashing about. Also, the guides are always around. Even if you take a bike on your own, there are always guides around who are there to help you. So you never have to worry about, not being able to manage or getting lost or something like that. There's always somebody around to help you. Shout out to my friend Pilar because she was with us for all the adventurous trips, and she's really adventurous and she enjoyed everything, and we enjoyed being with her. She was such a good sport in the whole thing. I should really thank her for giving us such a good time together.
Oh yeah, one more time. Hi, hi, hi. Gayatri.
That's me, and from now on you would probably see me in the video because this is taken from the bike behind me. Thanks to my friend for shooting this. I will leave details about this particular ride in the description below. So do check it out if you want more information about this ride. And I also wanted to say that this one was designed in such a way that it kind of takes you through all kinds of terrain. So you go through water, and then you go through some smooth roads like this one right here that you see me on, and then you have some, ups and downs, and you also have a break in between. And overall, I think it was around 1.5 hours to 2 hours. It's within that time, the entire ride. It was very well designed, and it's not too easy, but it's also not very scary. So you should definitely try it out. I think the main thing about this ride is you shouldn't try to compete with anyone, and that's exactly what I was doing. I just took my time, but of course, you have to kind of keep up with the group because you might lose your way, which did happen. And yeah, but it's also important to enjoy it. So I was just taking my time, enjoying the ride, listening to instructions as closely as possible. And yeah, there are always people to help you around with directions and everything. So no worries about that. So I asked for directions to go, and I did follow them. And so I went straight in, enjoying nature and just looking around. And then I'm confused as to where the direction is because I can't see anyone. Where's the rest of the group? So the person behind me also said, okay, let's go straight. And we went straight and just wait for it.
It's okay. You're good, right?
So apparently, this was not the road to take, and this was a deserted place. Just waiting for help. To be honest, after that fall, I actually lost all the fear I had. I was like, okay, now I'm getting into it because there's nothing more that can go wrong. Are now halfway through the drive, and I don't know, I wasn't able to shoot much. I will insert what I do have, but it's an amazing experience and you should definitely try this out. I actually fell in between, but yeah, I jumped out of the way. Okay, let me see if I can continue and shoot more stuff. Like I said, after my bike tipped over, I actually completely lost my fear and I was just enjoying it after that. I would do this like 100 more times. It was so enjoyable and I was just having so much fun. And I was also actually going a little bit fast. It was really nice.
Was crazy. I wanted my boots.
So towards the end of the ride now, and they actually take you through like the town, and you get to see like their locality, and you see temples, small temples, big ones, and then houses. But the houses in Bali also look like temples because they have the entrance like a temple. And this was really nice because you get a feeling of how it actually is in their town. They just their day-to-day stuff, people just hanging around on the sides, and then you see the nice real architecture of Ubud. That was also really nice. It was a nice way to end the ride. Thank you for watching this far into the video. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share, and let me know what you thought in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.